Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of IP addressing practical class. In this lecture, I'm going to let you know about how to create a design in Cisco Packet Tracer Simulator, because before IP addressing, we need to understand the concept of how to create LAN network and how it is implemented using WAN. So let's start with the designing process. To make a LAN, first of all, we need end devices. After that, we need a switch. So this is my Cisco Packet Tracer software. In this, you can find here are routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, and another cable connections devices. So you click on end devices. Here you will get PCs. 1, 2, 3. If you don't want to use PC, you can also use laptops. So it is up to you that you want to use end devices, laptops or PCs. After that, I'm going to use a switch, because switch is a device which is used to create a LAN. So here I'm using 2960 switch. So here you can see I just want to create 3 LANs, because after that I want to connect these 3 LANs with routers and it will be implemented as a WAN. So when you want to connect a switch to PC, then you have to use a straight cable. So you have to go in connections, and here you can see copper straight cable. So click on switch, fast Ethernet 0x1 and F is 0x0. You can use any fast Ethernet port and you can connect the device with fast Ethernet. So again, on the another part, laptops are also connected with fast Ethernet. So in my third LAN, these are also connected. Now, this is the design for LANs. Now you can say these are the 3 LANs. But if you want to check it that these LANs can ping only with each other within the network, because this time I have not provided any IP address to design because we have to make the design. So if you want to connect this design with a router, then it will access the internet. So there are so many routers. You can use 1841 router, 1941 router, but here I am going to use gigabit Ethernet network, because in gigaport is provided in 2911 router. So if you want to use 1000 Mbps speed, then you can use giga routers. If you want to use normal 100 Mbps speed, then you can use 1841 router. So again, click on the connection, copper straight cable, gigabit and fast Ethernet. Gigabit and fast Ethernet. Now these are the LAN. So when router to router connects with each other, then you have to use cross cable. Okay, because routers, these are the same device. For same device connectivity, you have to use cross cable. You can check our video on Skillshare. We have provided the video of connections of networking device as well as cables also. But if you don't want to use cross cable here, then you can add router port here, that is HWIC2T. Off the router, HWIC2T, and add this. This one you can add. And after that you can use here serial cable. This is. So you can check that router to router you can also connect serial cable with each other, and router to router you can also use cross cable with each other. Same function is enabled on switches also, because switches are the same device. If you want to connect 2 switches with each other, then it will be with the cross cable. So this is all about the design process. In my next lecture, I'm going to explain how to provide IP address to end devices. So let's move on.